Let me ask you a question. Suppose you are a brand. Where do you want yourselves to be? A smaller portion in an already existing pie or a bigger portion in a new pie? Most of the people would go with the second option. This is the whole idea behind the law of category. It says that if you are not first in your category, you create a new category and be the first in it. It also conveys the idea that you should promote the category, not the brand. तो आइए चलते हैं हम चिंटू की जिंदगी में, उसका एक दिन देखते हैं और समझते हैं कि कैसे लॉ ऑफ कैटेगरी उसके जीवन के हर एक पहलू को छूता है.
Let's take the example of toothpaste. Initially, HUL had a minor chunk in the toothpaste category. Then they introduced a whole new category, which was gel-based toothpaste. And now Close-Up has a major chunk of that category. Not only toothpaste, be it a face wash. चिंटू पहले नॉर्मल फेस वॉश यूज करता था, फिर गार्नियर ने एक नई कैटेगरी निकाली, मेंस फेस वॉश. सो चिंटू बीइंग अ मैन started using Garnier men's face wash. Chintu is going on a vacation with his girlfriends. Let's see how the law holds here. Chintu has a suitcase with him. Apparently, his girlfriend is not happy with that. We just saw what happened with Chintu because of the suitcase. Then Chintu started using a new category introduced by American Tourister, the trolley bags. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, they are happy, I guess.
Earlier, Chintu used to buy books or for that matter any other product from bricks and mortar shops. Then Amazon came in. They created a totally new category, e-commerce. Now, Chintu can easily buy Kotler from Amazon.com just by one click.
Earlier, Chintu used to order pizzas in a restaurant. He generally went to the restaurants and ordered pizza. But now, Domino's created a new category. Now, Chintu orders pizza online. And the category of home delivery by Domino's has changed fairly. And now, Chintu can have pizza. It's late in the night. Chintu is hungry. So, he came to Nescafe to eat a Maggie.
भैया मैगी आटा नूडल्स.
Since Chintu is health conscious, he asked for Atta noodles, which is a totally new category introduced by Maggie. We just saw many examples of the success of law of category, but we are not born in a perfect world. There are exceptions to this law as well. Let's see some examples of the failure of these companies. These companies failed because they failed to create the perceptions of the category in the mind of the people. Some of them being U-Bike. They failed because people were not ready to compromise with power and speed. Tata Nano. Tata came up with a new category, a low-priced car, but failed to create the necessary impact. Beer shampoo. Park only introduced a new category in shampoos, but it failed because maybe some people like beer in their glasses and not on their head. Vanilla Coke. Coke came up with a new category, a vanilla-flavored Coke, but they failed because cold drinks are not same as cakes and ice creams. So, we looked at different examples of the success and failures of law of category. Innovation comes with risk. However, you need to venture into a new category to be successful. The rule of thumb here is, अगर चिंटू को लुभाना है, नया कैटेगरी तो लाना है.